You see the trouble we're having taking these toolboxes off the truck? And my partner, he's about to leave me. He's mad at me right now. He's mad at me right now. And I still love him. You see the trouble we're having getting this shit out of here? There's part of one toolbox. Got that side loose. Then we got to take the camper top and the doors back there. Oh, get this shit out of here so I can put my ladder rack back on this bitch. I can't put no whores in the back of the truck no more. That's solid fucking aluminum right there. Is that heavy? Is it heavy?
Yeah, that's weight.
How much does it weigh, you think? 50 pounds?
Yeah, bro.
Does it? Weighs 50 pounds, that's $25 at the junkyard. Junkyard bound.
I've lost my damn fucking bed, man. I think it's on the inside of that.
My partner is getting aggravated because the damn thing don't want to come loose. They fucking glued it to the fucking top of the bed. Tearing my truck all to hell trying to get it loose.
Socket or Phillips?
You want socket or Phillips?
10 millimeter. I found it.
Find it? Let's take a break. Take your break, man.
I gotta leave right here in a few minutes.
I'm gonna stop videoing right now in just a second then. I just want to catch a quick video on this. This is us taking the camper top off this Dodge that we bought. Bought it for a work truck. My partner all pissed off at me, ready to kill me. This is one of the good videos that I at least caught. A good pinch of. You guys have a good day, YouTubers.
Which one, y'all?
You're right.
The,
The one to the right of the you're right.
that one, spinning. Damn, can you turn the inside of it? What's that? Is that the ½ inch or the 3/8?
½ inch. I've got a ½ inch right here if you need one.
Well, I was gonna give this to you and let you,
Okay. Let me break it loose.
yeah, break it loose because my finger is not big enough.
Oh shit.
I'm on the one closest to you,
Alright.
it's on the truck.
Alright. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready. Let's, maybe just leave those in for a minute.
Yeah, I got this electrical connection. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, something legit.
Solid aluminum trays for the see how much this damn thing weighs.